people, so this is my final review of the day, and so I thought, considering I've only reviewed some English nice Netflix shows, there's this one show on Alt Balaji, our very favorite Ekta Kapoor's. It's called Bewafa Si Wafa, which, as corny as the title is, this show surprisingly is very interesting. I mean, in terms of it's about these two people who are married but married to different people. So basically that's what it's a 10 episode series, and I mean it stars Sameer Soni, Dipanita Sharma, Aditi Vasudev, and Yudhishthir. That he was a VJ on channel V. So the very premise of the show is rather interesting, and so if you all are looking for something different to watch in Hindi, like this during this lockdown period, this particular show, Bewafa Si Wafa, is worth checking out. So because I mean even the actors, it's I mean it, like I don't know, the whole show, despite being on a seemingly very dark theme, there's a certain lightheartedness involved, which is rare. I mean, because what happens is movie any particular show or movie based on extramarital, this thing tends to have a very dark theme, but here it's all light-hearted, and there's nice music playing in the background, and so it is worth watching. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.